Hey. We're going to get into it. We're going to talk about this one, AIOZ. All right, we're going to talk about it. This is the website, by the way, if you never saw it. All right, just want to make sure you see it. It is a little different. It's cute. I like it. Hope it doesn't trigger any seizures or something. All righty, not that I have seizures, just talking about you. All right, so AIOZ. All righty, here. This is the market cap. This is the total volume. Okay, we're just looking around. So $2.65. When will we see that again? Circulating supply, 1.1 bill. Okay, this is on the day right now. This is not the daily, and that's what we're going to look at here. Nope. Here. Okay, switch these around. There we go. I like it like that. Okay, so let me just say right now. All right. You see here, this area, okay? Because the red line, we're trading right now at 75 cents. This is the 4-hour time frame, top left, okay? 4-hour time frame, okay? So you see here, this was the support, like it's walking on the floor. Boom. Okay, support. Okay, dipped down a little bit, but it came back above. Support. Remember, charts are not perfect, okay? And here we go again, support. So 3 times, 1, 2, 3, support. Okay? We're here now. Now, this is the problem. This is the problem, and this is why I'm making the video. You see this like yellow, golden color line? That's the 200-day moving average. Holy moly. Mr. Man, let me tell you, if we drop below that, all right, let me move my marker. All righty. If we drop below this, which we kind of are a little bit, but if we really go there, we're not in Kansas anymore. Nope. We could, that's a good support level. Because you see before, once it traded below this orange gold line, see, all of this nonsense happened. Okay? So, is that what's about to happen? A repeat of this area? I don't know. But you saw when it dropped below that before, because once it goes below the orange, I'm going to call it gold, okay? The gold color, it's hard for it to break. It becomes like a ceiling of a house. It's hard for it to penetrate it again. So it tries, but then it's like, oh, I can't do it. Tries again. Oh, I can't make it. See? Okay? And it can't make it. And then finally, when it finally can. Okay? But how long was that? Look at the period of time. So this is, maybe that's happening now. Let me draw a trend line, because I hope not. I hope what's really happening is, especially since, we're, 2024. I just love being in 2024. Nice even numbers, 2024, right? Okay. So anyway, side conversation there. So now this is not perfect because it broke above here because it was reacting with this, right? But here, what I'm saying, when it started to respect this area, when price started to respect this area. So will it respect it again? Right now, you see this 1, 2, 3, these 3 red candles, they're kind of dropping hard. Okay? They're not cascading softly like how this kind of cascaded kind of a little bit softly, right? Like, see, look, small little candles. Okay? These candles are kind of big. So Mr. Man needs to slow his roll right here. Okay? And he needs to base out like this and then start coming back above. That's what you want to happen. I don't know what will happen, but that's what we want to happen. So right now, danger, Will Robinson, danger. Now, that's if you're already in it, especially if you're in it from up here. If you're not in it, well, okay, welcome to the party. Because if it holds, if we see it really holds and start to go up, because this is a nice area to buy. All this down here, okay, this is a nice level to pick up some. If it respects this line, okay, if it respects it again, and it curves up, because look, then you're buying down here like this before. Imagine buying down here, selling some up there. Look at that. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here. Okay. Who would not like to do that? Okay, that percentage move. So that's what I'm saying. So, but you don't know. So you can like just dollar cost average yourself into it slowly to see what happens. Because you want to be above this green line here, 20-day moving average. This purple line too, you want all that to happen. I don't know when it will. But I just wanted to bring this, like, this chart needs to, like, it needs to slow down, start basing sideways, and start going up. Right? Because you can't, it's hard to catch a falling knife. You don't know how far it'll go. And if you go under here, where will you stop? You see how over here? Okay, yeah, let's look at it. We can't put our head in the sand. Let's look at it. We look at it together. Come on, hold my hand. Hold my hand and we look together, all right? You'll be okay. I'll be okay too. Okay, you see how when it fell down here, the velocity of, look at these candles. This candle's long and they're big. Price drop. Boom, boom. Falling out of plane with no parachute. You don't really want that. So I'm saying, so my point is I'm trying to keep my audience safe, okay? I'm trying to keep you safe, my man, women, ladies, okay? You don't want to try to catch some falling knife like that. So let it slow down a little bit and start basing out, okay? So that's my point. That was my point. And then if it holds, you buy down in this area, you sell up in here, ride out into the sunset. If you're temporary, like if you're holding for a longer move, that's fine. I'm just showing you this. But remember, we're in June. Stock market starts to get quiet. People are on vacay, okay? They start doing that. And as they go on their vacation, things get quiet. So will crypto like slightly move down? So you have to watch out for all this. But we know that AI tokens outperformed the wider market. All right, look at this. You can take a screenshot and everything like that and look at it later. I don't want to make this video too long and everything, So, but what I wanted to show you is down here. Look what they're saying right here. Okay, 4 currencies of AI tokens, right? Okay, what did they put up double-digit gains right here. Right here. Yes, you see it. You see it. Boop, I'll put it in blue. Okay, this one, this one, this one, and this one. You have to go look at them. Okay, I can't show this in that video and everything, but this is what they're saying. So something to know. All right, I wanted to make sure you saw that and everything. Okay, so we need to go because it's getting late. Okay, remember the comeback is always stronger than the setback. The comeback is always stronger than the setback. This moving fast right here, it reminds me of like insects or something. I don't know. That's keeping me out a little bit. I don't know how you feel about that. Write about that in the comments below. Okay, because, is this bothering you? Because it kind of bothers me a little bit. Oh, it disappeared. Look at that. I made it go away. Okay. Click like, click subscribe. Oh my gosh, I'm supposed to say that. But I love doing this because I have to do it for myself anyway. So we're together. You're not alone. And remember, the comeback is always stronger than the setback. See you in the next video. Alrighty. Take it easy.